In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install ZIE for Windows. Please follow the steps to complete ZIEWin installation. Double-click on Setup. Click on Next. Select the I accept the terms in the license agreement option button. Enter your username and the organization name and click Next. Click on Setup Type. You can select typical or custom setup. Click Next. Select the location to save the application data. Based on our requirement, we can choose one of the three options. Let us select User Application Data folder. Now, enter ZIE server details, add ZIE web server URL. Enter ZIE config server IP. Now, add ZIE server port number. Click on Next. Click on Install. Now, the ZIE for Windows is being installed. Click on Finish. Click Yes to restart your system, to complete the setup. When your system restarts, open the Start menu to verify if the HCL ZIE for Windows is created. Open the HCL ZIE for Windows folder. Click on Start, or Configure Session. Now, the installation is completed. Click on New Session to configure session. Now, click OK to start the session on ZIEWin.